Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Voice is coming?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us start our today class by prayer. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana-Salakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी प्रसादस्तारिणे पंचाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यः च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्त मुखं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं वन्देऽहं तत्कृपा श्रीगुरुदेव पारिणं परमानन्दनाथं श्रीचैतन्यं हरे कृष्ण. Sorry, today I get late by 5 minutes. Hmm. Hare Krishna. So, in last class we have finished chapter 1, and I hope that you have done homework also. Okay, and you can ask question regarding homework in group WhatsApp group. We will begin new chapter 2, in which we will learn about Madhyam Purush Ekvachan, the how to use how to make sentences in Sanskrit and how to use sentences in Madhyam Purush, that is second person, how to use the verb and noun pronoun and how to make them sentences and how we can use them in second person. First person we have done in the previous class. Now we'll begin with second person. Okay. So what is the quotation today? Quotation is Chanasah kanasah chaiva vidyam artham cha sadhayet. What this mean? Every moment one should learn, from every bit one should earn. That is the quotation. You know? We should learn from every moment. We should not waste our every second. And we should earn from every bit. If I have got 10 rupees, then I should earn from it more. That is the meaning of this quotation. And in devotional life, we can, in bhakti life, in Vaishnavism, that we can use everything for Krishna service. Every moment we should serve Krishna, every moment we should remember Krishna. So, second lesson is here. So, Bahuvachan. In the previous classes, we have studied Ekvachan, singular, plural, singular. Now there is plural also. Plural sentences are also given. First of all, we will see that. So, चित्रकारः लिखन्ति. Artists sketch. चित्रकारः लिखन्ति. भारवाह वहन्ति. Potters carry. चोराः धावन्ति. Thieves run. मूर्खाः निन्दन्ति. Fools condemn. रजकाः क्षालयन्ति. Washerman wash. Now anybody can read it. Chandan Prabhu, you can read.
तक्षकः तक्षन्ति, गायकः गायन्ति, नटाः नृत्यन्ति.
Translation also.
Okay. तक्षकाः तक्षन्ति, carpenters do carpentry. गायकाः गायन्ति, singers sing. नटाः नृत्यन्ति, dancers dance. पाचकाः पचन्ति, cooks cook. भक्ताः ध्यायन्ति, devotees meditate. एते नमन्ति, these persons salute. ते जिघ्रन्ति, they smell. Ime smaranti, these persons remember. Ete vadanti, these persons speak. Andhaha gachanti, the blind persons go. Badhiraha atanti, the deaf persons wander. Kubjaha dhavanti, pigimis run. Mukaha tishtanti, dumb persons stand. Napitaha mundayanti, barbers shave. Tantubayaha bayanti, weavers wave. Ajaha charanti, goats graze. Ambaha yachanti, mothers give. Taha basanti, those women reside. Imaha pashyanti, these women see. Etaha hasanti, these women laugh. Puspani bikasanti, flowers bloom. Phala, phalani patanti, fruits fall. Tani patanti, they fall.
Yes.
Imani spuranti, these shake. Etani patanti, these fall.
So what is the point of learning here?
Plural, for plural we use
Yes,
nti.
plural and present tense.
Yes.
Plural form of verb and present tense. The tense is present. Whatever we say that is in tense. Tense means kal, samay, time. So uh, whatever talks we do that is in some time, in present tense, past tense, or in future tense. That is tense. Tense denotes that. So it is these sentences are denoting present tense and they are in plural form. They are in plural form. Okay. So one thing you have noticed here that anti is coming in the last last letter in word last words last. You know? Anti is coming. Verbs in the above sentence are in the present tense, third person and plural. Okay, third person and plural. Exercise. Give the matching noun forms to the following verbal forms. Pivanti, bala pivanti, hasanti. Give the matching noun forms to the following verbal forms. So hasanti. So what noun will give to hasanti, Chandan Prabhu?
Plural.
Yes.
For example,
Say from the whatever we have read from the sentences. You have noticed the pattern? See the pattern is
etaha hasanti, these women laugh.
etaha. Okay. Yes, correct. Etaha hasanti. Khadanti. What noun you will add before khadanti? Khadanti is plural form of verb. What
Yes,
noun you will add before khadanti?
all will be plural only. I am finding out correct noun. Okay, this is not. Okay, I can say taha khadanti.
Yes, taha khadanti. So they are pronoun. You are using pronoun. You can use noun also.
Okay,
Like
noun. mm,
like chandanaha khad kridanti. There are many chandan and they are all what they are playing. So chandanaha kridanti. Ramaha ichanti. There are many Rams and they are ichanti. They are desiring. Okay, like that. Nayanti means bringing, something bringing. So, Syamaha nayanti. There are many Syam and they are bringing. So, you should notice the pattern. You should follow the pattern. Whatever pattern is been done, had been done, you have to see that. That is the thing. Smaranti, prichanti, sravanti. You have to add noun. This is your homework. You can make it sentences. You have to make sentences. Verb is given. You have to add noun. Give the matching noun forms to the flowing verbal forms. Verbal forms is given, and you have to add noun forms. That's all before the verbal forms. Okay. Complete the flowing by giving the correct verb forms to the noun forms. Now you have to give noun verb forms. Here noun forms are given. You have to give verb forms. Two things are there in the sentence: noun and verb. Noun and verb. And in previous class we have studied that noun has three genders: masculine, feminine, and
Neutral or napunsak.
yes, neuter gender, masculine gender, neuter gender, and female gender. And verb has verb is used in three person: first person, second person, and third person. Verb is used in three person: first person, second person, third person. Those who are new in class, they must hear first lecture for the clarity. Okay. First lecture you should hear. The recording is available in Ispan Bhagavad Mahadal website. You can go there and you can hear the lecture. Okay, for more clarity and for more smooth, the knowledge should be we can get. So for that, so the example is given. This is very easy. This is very easy. You just have to read the question carefully, and you have to just see the example carefully, and you will able to solve all the question. Like Swarnakara. Swarnakara is the question, and answer is Swarnakara agachati. Agachati is the verbal form.
First person.
Is added, and through example you can see how to do it, and you can do it. So it is not very much to be explained. Now answer the following questions. So here question they are asking. So you can by
Prabhuji, here I have a question. K, does it pointing to plural means masculine gender?
Yeah, he's
And
asking who is talking.
who all are talking, right?
No, it is not like that. Ke vadanti. Who is talking? So you can say Bala vadanti, Balikaha vadanti. So there is no any K is here denotes all three genders. You can say
Okay.
both gender you can use plural also and masculine also and feminine also here. K
But in
nindanti.
plural form only, right?
Yes.
Plural form.
K
And
nindanti. So you can use,
kaha means feminine gender.
yeah. Ka is feminine gender. Ka
And
is feminine gender. I said how to note down, how to know that which gender this particular word is belongs to which gender. By how? There is in previous class we have talked about it.
ka means masculine, ka means
Yeah,
feminine. And
feminine. Yes.
ka
And
no.
and dvivachan is same. Ka ke ka and kah ka nahi. Dvivachan in feminine ka ke kaha, and in masculine kah kau and ke. Kah kau and ke is the masculine in masculine form. Masculine form of a word. Word has seven different cases. Seven cases I have told. Seven cases. सात कारक होते हैं. Seven cases are there in which there are three what is it? Plural, singular, plural, and dvivachan. That is dual. है ना? Singular, plural, and dual. Dual means two. It denotes two. Singular denotes one, and plural denotes many, more than two. And dual denotes two. So verbs has 21 forms, and sorry, word has 21 form, and verb has 9 forms. 9 forms verb has, and 21 forms words has. You will study it later. Need not to worry about that. You will gradually learn all this basic step by step. You will learn. So this course is step by step. So we'll learn step by step. So not need to worry. Just common sense. You apply your common sense, and you can ask. You can answer these questions. Ka yachanti? Who is begging? Who is begging? Vikshukaha yachanti? Kani viksanti? Puspani viksanti? Kevayanti? You just have to read the sentences. You will just read the sentences. You will able to answer these questions. You have to what you have to do is just to read the carefully read these sentences. These sentences which we have just now read. These sentences you have to read, and you will be able to answer the question. These sentences you have to carefully read. That's all, and you will be able to answer these questions. They are not.
So, Prabhuji, where
Yes.
we should use K, Kaha, and Kani?
You will able to learn it very soon. Just now you have to. You have just what they are asking the question. You have to just give the answer. That's all. You just read the sentences, and you will catch the pattern. Where we have to use K, how to give the answer of K, and how to give the answer of Kaha, and how to give the answer of Kani, and that's all.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Renut Pranam.
Pranat Pranam.
Prabhuji, my question is that today is my first class, and Prabhuji, I am asking that how can we know the meaning of the word? Like you told K Vadanti, matlab who is talking? So then
All
we
the
don't
things
know.
can be answered, all the things can be learned in the sentences. Sentences, there is translation also given.
Okay.
And whatever the words you are seeing here, these words are used there in sentences. You just have to go through the sentences and translation, and you will be able
Okay.
to answer these questions.
Okay, Prabhu. Thank you,
Yeah.
Prabhu.
They're not very difficult questions. They are asking from the books which just they have taught, and they are asking you. That's all. Like some teacher taught you ABCD and he asked question. A के बाद क्या आता है? B. उसने आपको पढ़ाया तुरंत और तुरंत क्वेश्चन पूछ दिया. He just
Yeah,
asked the question. That's
जी
all.
जी.
So यहाँ पे भी वही है. आपको sentences दिया. उस sentence को ध्यान से पढ़ना है और आपको आंसर देना है. You have to give the answer. That's all. Just you have to
Okay.
carefully go through the sentences, and that's okay. Now, this question. Note, in Sanskrit, the conjunct letters are generally written in accordance with the pronunciation. Conjunct letter means two or more letters. Conjunct letters. So they are letters. Why letters? Because they are more than one letter. That's why conjunct letter. The letters pronounced fully are written fully. The letters half pronounced are written half. So Sanskrit has a special quality that whatever you pronounce, that should be written. If you pronounce half, you have to write half. You have to. If you pronounce full, then you have to write full. That's all. Whatever you pronounce, how is your pronunciation? In that way, you have to write like gna, gna. You see, gna. This is conjunct letter. Ko. This is written like that. It is pronounced like that, so it is written like that. Simple. Here the letter go half pronounced it in half, like this in bracket. You can see where the as the letter no pronounced completely written completely no. Similarly, shakya. Practice the pronunciation and the spelling of the flowing letters in Sanskrit. Now you have to practice it. Bya, ja, and dama is no. So this is your homework. You have to do it. Okay. 2 homeworks I have given just now. There are exceptions to the above general method of writing. So there are some exceptions also, like bro, croc, tho, tro. These words will not follow the previous rule. Previous rule, they will not follow these words. They are exceptions. Exceptions are always there in this material world. A few others conjunct letters look like single letters, and these letters look like single letter, but they are not single letter. They are conjunct letter. Previous classes we have discussed about these letters. In previous class, you can see the video. You will find the letters. In the coming sessions, student will be obviously continue the conjunct letters more and more. Yes, gradually in the above classes, you will see these things. Also numerals. How to write numerals in Sanskrit? So you can see here English in English 1 to 3 written, and Roman, and in the Sanskrit Devanagari script how we should write. So you can see here and you can learn. Okay. Special points. In the foregoing two lessons were used the words tad. Tad is used in the foregoing two lessons. Whatever in the previous lesson and in this lesson we have used these words, and these words are tad. These words coming from tad. Tad, idam, etad, and kim. They are the mool word, root word. From these root words formed sah, sa, tat, idam becomes ayam, iyam, idam, and etad becomes esha, esha, etad, and kim becomes kah, ka, kim, and such others. These are pronouns. These are pronouns, not noun. These are pronouns. In the previous lesson, their singular forms were given. Now their complete declension is as follow. Okay. So now they have given all complete declension, means total detail, in detail everything is given. Singular, dual, plural. How? Tad, dakarant, why dakarant is used? Because the dakar is coming at the end, the is coming at the end, so it's called dakarant sabd. Dakar कमिंग इन द एंड, दकार द जिसके अंत में है, दकारांत, दकार से अंत है इसलिए दकारांत. तो दकारांत शब्द इज तद शब्द इज दकारांत शब्द, एंड इट इज रिटन इन द थ्री फॉर्म्स मस्कुलिन, फेमिनिन, न्यूटर, एंड इन सिंगुलर, ड्यूल एंड प्लूरल. सह तौते, सा ते ताहा, तत्ते तानी. सह मीन्स ही, तौ मीन्स दोज टू, एंड ते मीन्स दे, सा मीन्स सी, it is feminine gender, they, those two, and taha is they, and neuter is tat, it, and te means those two, and tani means they. So you have to just carefully go through it, and you will be able to recognize these things. You will be able to master these things gradually when you will hear lectures repeatedly, and when you will use these lectures in the homework which I am giving you. The homework you have to do it carefully, है ना? So it is my humble request that please do the homework, and please listen the lecture twice, 2 times or 3 times, as much as you require, as much as your capacity of catching the things, that speed you have to through your that capacity you have to see. Okay. So sah taute, sa te taha, tat te tani. These are the all the declensions, all the detailed knowledge of that sabda. And also idam is makaran sabd because ma is coming at the end, and in masculine form ayam, imo, ime, it means this person, these two, and these. Okay, like this. Some Vedic proverbs are coming. Satyam dharmas chaitani mam asisu mena, truth and dharma leave me. Okay, we'll read it later. Katha Chaturah Kakha. Chaturah Kakha. Anybody would like to read this, or you can read this wherever you are comfortable.
I can read the Devanagari one.
Yes, you read.
Okay. चतुरः काकः एकः काकः अस्ति सः बहु तृषितः सः जलार्थ भ्रमति तदा ग्रीष्मकालः कुत्रापि जलं नास्ति काकः कष्टेन बहु दूरं गच्छति तत्र सः एकं घटं पश्यति काकस्य अतीव सन्तोषः भवति किन्तु घटे स्वल्पम् एव जलम् अस्ति जलं कथं पिबामि इति काकः चिन्तयति सः एकम् उपायं करोति शिलाखण्डान् आनयति घटे पूरयति जलम् उपरि आगच्छति काकः सन्तोषेण जलं पिबति ततः गच्छति heard this story in childhood.
Yes. Translation.
So, clever crow. A crow is very thirsty. It roams about for water. It is summer. There is no water anywhere. The crow goes a long distance with difficulty. There it saw a pot. The crow feels very happy, but there is only little water in the pot. How do I drink water? Thus the crow thinks. It makes a plan. It brings small stones and fills the pot. The water rises up. The crow drinks water happily. Afterwards, it goes.
Yes. So everybody understood the story. You have to go through this story. You have to read the story. Sanskrit. You will learn Sanskrit by reading, speaking, and by writing more and more. पुनः पुनः यदि प्रयासं भविष्यन्ति तर्हि संस्कृतं मस्तिष्के आगच्छति.
Prabhuji, seems like few pages are not not available in this scanned PDF. I
Yes.
observed in the first section as well and in the second section as well.
First section was complete. Only one thing was missing, that Bahuvachan. Plural form is missing.
No, here I see 3 pages are missing. Like after page number 5, I see direct page number 8. So 6 and 7 are missing.
Okay, in this no?
Yes, if you scroll up a little bit.
Yes, I will send the new scanned PDFs
Okay,
of my
Prabhuji.
book which I am teaching. Some is matching and some is not matching. Yes. So these are the common sentences of daily use. Like, come on, agachatu. Please sit down. Upvisatu. How do you do? Api kusalam. All are well. Sarvam kusalam. What is the matter? Ko visheshaha. Please say kathayatu. Rare visit. Chirad agamanam. Visit again. Punah agachatu. Well, goodbye. Astu namaskaraha. So you can see that there is common sentences of daily use. We should use it. Come on. Agachatu. उपविशतु अपि कुशलं सर्वं कुशलं को विशेषः कथयतु चिरात् आगमनं पुनः आगच्छतु अस्तु नमस्कारः, like that. Now Subhasitam. Okay, so let me share in the WhatsApp group. I have shared one PDF, one pages which I will use it for reading. Then we will read this. Let me share that. Where is the page? Hmm. So this is the second chapter in which we have to read about Madhyam Purush Ekvachanam, second person singular. So you can see here, like Tom patasi, you read. Tom namasi, you salute. Tom vadasi, you speak. Tom pasyasi, you see. Tom prakshasi, you ask. Tom gachasi, you go. Tom dhavasi, you run. Tom tishtasi, you stand. Tom atasi, you wander. Tom kridasi, you play. Tom khadasi, you eat. Tom gayasi, you sing. In the previous classes and in today class also we have read first third person and present tense. Now we are reading present tense second person, how the sentences are formed in the second person is changing only, tense is same, present tense is going on. In previous class we have studied about present tense first third person, and now second person how we make sentences. So we are seeing like this. So tom is used and verb form is pathasi, namasi. C is common. Namasi and tom is common. Tom. The first person singular. First person and singular. Sorry, second person and singular. Second person and singular. Then we will see madhyam purush bahuvachanam. है ना, मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचनम. We are seeing only ekvachan and bahuvachan, that is singular and plural. Now we will see, now will come the madhyam purush. So you can see here madhyam purush bahuvachanam and uttam purush ekvachanam. You can, Chandan Prabhu, you can read it. Madhyam purush and plural, second person plural. Madhyam purusha bahuvachanam.
Prabhuji, can it be little bit zoom? Can you zoom it little bit? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yuyam khadatha, you eat. Yuyam hasatha, you laugh. Yuyam gayatha, you sing. Yuyam likhatha, you write. Yuyam bahatha, you carry.
Bas,
You
just stop.
Mhm.
Snehal Prabhu, can you read? Prabhuji, please, you can read.
Yes, Prabhu. Which one did we get to?
You can read from beginning also.
Okay. Yuyam kadatha, you eat. Yuyam hasata, you laugh. Yuyam gayata, you sing. Yuyam likata, you write. Yuyam vahata, you carry. Yuyam pibata, you drink. Yuyam patatha, you fall. Yuyam yachata, you give. Yuyam nindata, you rebuke. Yuyam nayata, you lead. Yuyam patata, you read. Yuyam namata, you salute. Yuyam vadata, you say. Yuyam pashyata, you see. Yuyam prichata, you ask.
Yes. Now comes the Uttam Purush. That is first person singular. First person and singular. So Krishna Kanti Mataji, you can read Uttam Purush.
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. Aham ichhami, I wish. Aham nrityami, I dance. Aham smarami, I remember. Aham jigrami, I smell. Aham vashami, I recite.
Yes. So this is Uttam Purush Ekvachan. So we have done Madhyam Purush singular and plural, second person singular and plural. Now we are doing first person singular and plural. So now I will share plural form.
Prabhuji, Madhyam Purush is always plural.
No, Madhyam Purush singular we have seen na you tvam patasi
Okay.
tvam likasi, that is singular, and yum is plural. And now we have seen first person singular. Now we will see first person plural. So this comes, here comes first person plural. Vayam kridama, we play. Vayam likhama, we write. Can you see, able to see it? Able to see it? You all are?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Vayam pibama. Now you can read. ये क्या आ गया? Why this is coming? So this. Yes, please read.
Uttam Purush Bahubachanam.
Hmm.
Vayam Kridamaha. We play.
Yes.
Vayam Likhamaha. We
Right.
write. Vayam Pikhamaha.
Pibama.
Sorry, Pivamaha. We drink.
Drink.
Vayam Yachamaha. We give. Vayam Tishtamaha. We stand. Vayam Namamaha. We salute. Vayam Vahamaha. We carry. Vayam Nayamaha. We lead, take along. Vayam Dhavamaha. We run. Vayam Smaramaha. We remember. Vayam Nrityamaha. We dance. Vayam Hasamaha. We laugh. Vayam Gayamaha. We sing. Vayam Atamaha. We wonder.
Yes. Anybody likes to read?
We can read probably the same list again.
Yes.
Vayam kridamaha, we play. Vayam likamaha, we write. Vayam pibamaha, we drink. Vayam yachamaha, we give. Vayam tistamaha, we stand. Vayam namamaha, we salute. Vayam muhamaha, we carry. Vayam nayamaha, we lead, take along. Vayam davamaha, we run. Vayam smaramaha, we remember. Vaya nityamaha, we dance. Vayam hasamaha, we laugh. Vayam gayamaha, we sing. Vayam atamaha, we wonder.
Yes. So we have seen here that first person singular and plural. Okay. So we will do the exercise in the next session about this. I will give you the new PDF, scanned PDF. Today, whatever we have learned in third person plural form and third person plural form, whatever we have learned and whatever homework I have given, you have to do it, and you have to twice listen the lecture, okay? And you can revise this, you can read this in at your home. You to read more and more, and you can use this at your home. These words, these sentences, these are very easy sentences, simple sentences are there. There is no much structure is there. Very simple. Pronoun and verb is coming. Pronoun and verb. That's all. First person, second person, third person. Present tense. We have done, and you have to read it. You have to speak it more and more, and you have to use it more and more. Okay. One more page I am sending, and this I will read, and then we will read the Subhasitam and the Prahelika section, and then we will finish the class.
Prabhu, I'm still not part of the WhatsApp group. Is there a link I can to join?
Yes, what question you were asking?
Sorry, I'm not on the WhatsApp group still. So is there a link I can?
You are not in WhatsApp group?
No.
Okay. So you have registered now?
Yeah.
Letter? Okay, so you can contact to this number I am sending in chat.
Okay.
You can tell to him to add you in WhatsApp group.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare
Prabhuji, for which lecture you are saying to listen again and again?
The first lecture. This is second lecture, day 2.
Okay. Or month recording of the
Yeah,
classes.
recording. Day 1 recording.
Okay, Prabhuji.
This is the number of Sankarsan Anand Prabhu. You can coordinate with him, and he will add you in WhatsApp group.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Yes, this is correct number, and he will add you in WhatsApp group. So one more I have sent, and let me download it. So WhatsApp, and then I will show it to you. Okay. Mhm. So here exercise is by uttering the sentence says again and again, sentence construction stage in your memory. What he is saying? By uttering the sentences, you have to utter the sentences, you have to speak. So as much as you speak the sentences, the structure, the sentence construction will goes into your memory. What you have to do is to utter the sentences, speak the sentences more and more. Then that sentence will go into your memory. Given below are some oral exercises. There are some oral exercises given here. Read the sentences orally as directed. So, now ready to read the sentences orally. First, A. Yes, Chandan Prabhu, you can read.
Prabhuji, please make it bit larger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now good.
Yeah. Tvam patasi.
Now first read the English sentence. What is given?
Restate the below sentences by changing the numbers in the respective person from singular to plural and vice versa.
What do you
Okay.
understand?
Um, like the below lines are arranged in a way that it is singular, then plural and singular.
Yes. From singular to plural and from plural to singular. Vice versa.
Tvam patasi. Yuyam patataha. Yuyam pivatah. Pivathaha. Tvam pivasi. Aham ichhami. Vayam ichhamaha. Vayam kridamaha. Aham kridami.
So got the point? Singular
Prabhuji,
and plural and singular. That's all.
yeah. So Prabhuji, here we don't know. We might be reading all this now. Where to use patasi, patata, all this. I think these are called case, like first case, second case. That is what.
No, case is not here.
Okay. Then are we going to read this patasi, patata, pivasi?
Yes.
Okay. So it is just for our to absorb all this to into
Case
our
is there.
memory.
Case is there. But we don't need to know now case what case they are following. Case is
Hmm.
there. They are in cases. Every sentence is in case. But
Hmm.
this is not required now. Cases. This is in first case. Karta Karak. Karta
Hmm.
Karak is there. There are 7 cases. Karta, Karm, Karan, Sampradhan, Apadan, Sambandh and Adhikaran. And here we are Karta Karak. We are dealing with Karta Karak. So, what here want to say that singular is converting into plural and plural is converting into singular, and we are seeing that how the singular is changing into plural and plural is changing into singular. Person is same, only change is in numbers. है ना? Vachan means number. Ekvachan, Bahuvachan is what? Denotes number.
Yes.
So here only numbers are changing. Yeah? One person, Tom Patsi, many persons, Yuyam Patatha. Many are drinking, so Yuyam Pivatha. One is drinking, Tom Pivasi. Similarly, when we change the person from second person to third person, Aham Ichhami, Vayam Ichhama. Okay, Vayam Kridama, Aham Kridami. Like that. Now B, Snehal Prabhu, you read the B. What they are saying?
Oh, I need the transliteration to read it. I can't read it.
English.
Okay, restate the below sentences by changing the persons from two and one person to 3 person.
What you understood?
So changing it from 2 and 1 person. So
Here person is changing. The sentence is saying about the person is changing from second person to first person and from first person to third person. That what they want to say in the sentences. Like Tom Patasi, Saha Patati. So how the person changed? From Tom Patasi to Saha Patati, which person is changed to which person? So from second person is changing to first person. Yuyam Pivatha, Te Pivanti. So Yuyam Pivatha is in second person and Te Pivanti is in third person. है ना? Aham Ichhami and Sa Ichhati and Anuja Ichhati. What they are doing? Aham ichhami is in first person and sa ichhati is in third person. So first person is changing into third person. Vayam kidama, te kidanti, bala kidanti. So what is here happening? So first person is changing into third person. Te kidanti, bala kidanti. So this is person is changing. So they want to say that person is changing. In first A case, we saw that singular is changing to plural and plural is changing to singular. Numbers are changing. But in second case, we see that person is changing from first to second, second to third, and from third to second, second to first, third to first, as like that. Persons are changing. And third, answer the flowing question in 10 sentences. 10 sentences you have to answer the question. So
Prabhuji,
this is the homework.
for B, there is
Yes.
no conversion between first and second. It is conversion between first to third and second to third and vice versa. But there is no conversion between first and second.
Yes, first and second there is no conversion.
What is the meaning of Vayam?
Vayam means we.
We, right? It is plural.
Yes.
Plural, it is first person.
Yes.
Okay.
So C is your homework. Aham kim karomi. So they have given some example. Tom patasi, tom khadasi, tom namasi, tom dhavasi, tom ichhasi. The question is asking that what I am doing. So answer will be answer. Who will give the answer? Question is in first person. So answer will be in
Second person.
yes. Why? Common sense.
Because you are
I'm asking, who am I? What I am doing. So second person will answer. You are doing this, you are doing this, you are doing this. Similarly, you have to answer 1, 2, 3, 4. So please do the homework. It is my humble request. You have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to do the homework. Okay? Okay. So, Sintakshurani and Lekhanina. So later we'll study tomorrow and we'll sharply do the Subhasitam and then we'll finish the class. Yes. Yes. उद्यमेन एव हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथै न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा. What this mean? उद्यमेन एव हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि.
Without effort, your work will not yield any result. Similarly,
Yes.
like sleeping lion means a deer will not enter into its mouth.
So how will you pronounce this sloka?
Udyame naiva siddhyanti karyani na manorathai na hi suptasya sinhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha.
You can sing like that. Uddamenaiva siddhyanti karyani na manorathai nahi suptasya singhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. There is 4 padas as there, 8 letters in one pada, and there are 4 pad, that is 4 quadrants, and there is a science behind pronouncing. That is
Anushtup chanda.
so Anushtup Chand is there. So in this way you can sing by breaking the first path, then second, then third, then fourth. Uddamenaiva hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathai nahi suptasya singhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. You can take the help of this English transliteration, which we have seen in the previous class, transliteration guide. Okay. Yes, the translation is given. It is through industry alone that efforts succeed. but not through wishes. Animals themselves do not at all enter the mouth of a sleeping lion. You know, though, so like this. So many pages are not in this PDF. You know, I have not noticed it.
Yes, there are
Okay,
many.
I will check this book. This book had cheated me. I have completely faith on this book, but they have not completely given them. Okay, I will check this book. So your homework will be the first person, third person, plural sentences. You have to read it and make the sentences. And second person, singular and plural sentences. Whatever you have to read it, and whatever homework I have given in this that like this, you have to make it. And the plural and singular sentences in first person and second person and third person, you have to read it. And the homework which have been assigned in the pages also, what I have sent in WhatsApp group, that page also you can see the 10 answers you have to give, aham kim karomi, that you have to do it. Please do it at home. Till you have time till 6 p.m. tomorrow. You have to do it till 6 p.m. tomorrow, and you have to listen the lecture twice. You have to this is 1 hour lecture, you can listen it. Okay, so any question you have, then you can ask me. And Snehal Prabhu, you are connected from where?
From London.
From
UK.
London.
Yeah.
Welcome to
Thank you.
Sanskrit class, step by step Sanskrit grammar.
I'm looking forward to the rest of it. Just one question, probably the last exercise that you showed. If it's the question, it's not got the transliteration, so I'm not sure if I'm going to understand what the exercise is asking for.
For pronunciation.
Yeah.
So previous class, there was a transliteration guide was given in previous class. If you will see the recording.
No, his question is different. He
Yeah.
says that page which you showed little bit earlier, there was no translation, means English transliteration.
Transliteration was not there. Okay.
So he doesn't know how to pronounce this Devanagari letters.
Correct. Thank you.
No problem.
There was no transliteration. Like the pages I have sent, that in that transliteration was
Yes.
there, but in PDF no transliteration was there.
No, the WhatsApp image. He's referring to the WhatsApp image.
No, WhatsApp image had transliteration. Like I have given from my book, and in book transliteration is given.
Wait a minute, I think.
Just carefully see the pages. Carefully see the pages, please.
Okay.
Carefully see the pages.
No, I guess he is
There is
referring to,
transliteration
suppose,
guide.
ABC, page number 27, ABC. Okay, the heading is in English, but the examples are like Tvam Pathasi, Yuvam Pathata.
In the book, PDF book?
Yeah, not in the PDF, the image.
Image, what I have sent is there is no, you
Page number 27, the last.
Oh, exercise.
Oh, yes.
Exercise do not have transliteration, and you do not need to do it. You just have to practice first this. You have to first practice this, then you have to go to exercise. If you will practice this sentences, then you will be able to know the transliteration guide is there. You first become expert in this by reading this loudly, then you will be able to speak, pronounce clearly. First, you have to go to transliteration from the WhatsApp image of the sentences I have given. Okay, Snehal Proof. The sentences which I have given, these sentences you have to go through it, and then you will be able to pronounce those sentences also. Those sentences are for examples. They are not for pronunciation guide. They are for knowledge purpose. They have been made for knowledge purpose, for giving you knowledge about how to change the persons, how to change the singular to plural, plural to singular. That is the purpose. The purpose of the pronunciation has been achieved in the sentences. You have to check all the sentences, and there is transliteration guide also in every sentences. The columns of sentences which we have gone in the starting of the class, that you have to see the sentences, the large number of sentences we have read now, that you have to see. Then you will be able to pronounce and carefully see the sentences. In the previous classes also we have transliteration. We have gone through the transliteration guide. So you have to see the previous class and this class also. Transliteration guide is there in the bulk sentences. We have read the sentences in bulk, 10 to 20 sentences, 30 sentences we have read, and there is transliteration guide. First you go through that sentences with transliteration and then come to exercise. Okay.
Okay. I'll give it a go today, and then I'll let you know tomorrow if there's any issues.
Yes.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Prabhuji, actually, I want to purchase this hard copy. Where can I get it?
Hard copy, you can go to samskritbharati.in and there you can purchase it. This book I have purchased from, you have to enroll in the courses, their courses.
Oh, okay.
They have 6 months long courses, and they will give you this book in one book for 6 months, and then they will give you next book for 6 months, after 6 months, and like this they take 2 years to complete the whole 4 books.
So, okay, 4 books. Bhag
Yeah.
1, Bhag 2, Bhag 3, Bhag 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for Bhag 1 you have to wait for Bhag 2 you have to wait for 6 months. After 6 months you will get Bhag 2, and then you will get Bhag 3, and then you will get Bhag 4. As like
Yeah.
that, 6 months waiting is there.
But there will be nobody to guide me on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will send the PDF also of this. Okay, anybody have any other question? Krishna Kanti Mataji, from where you are?
No, Hare Krishna Prabhuji. No, Prabhuji, I have no question. But first, I will go through the first lecture. Then I will can come to know that where I have missed or what I am going to do.
Where are you from?
I am from Bhubaneswar, Prabhuji.
Really? Bhubaneswar.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Oh, this is your first class.
Yes, Prabhuji.
You have joined this today, the course.
Yes, Prabhuji. No, Prabhuji, I have enrolled first, but I forgot at actually on Friday I have got seva in temple, and I forgot totally about the class.
Okay.
And when I saw, then I joined the group, and and the class was over. So today I have joined first.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Step by step Sanskrit grammar.
Ji, Prabhuji.
You will become master in Sanskrit step by step.
Okay, thank you, Prabhuji. Hopefully I can.
So just go through the lectures and listen twice the lectures, and I will send the PDF again. See the PDF and practice whatever homework had been given. That should be practice at home. Then you will be able to grasp the chapter.
Prabhuji, you are based out of Bengal, West Bengal?
No, I am from Bihar.
Okay.
Currently, I am living in Govardhan. You can see
Govardhan.
behind me Govardhan picture.
No, that is just a background image.
Yeah, Giriraj Govardhan. This is a real picture, but virtual background.
Oh,
This is Giriraj Govardhan, 21 kilometer. We do parikrama on Ekadasi of Giriraj Govardhan.
I have
21.
done once. I have done once in 2015, long
Yeah.
ago.
So this is very great mountain which Lord Krishna lifted, and also it is the pastime of the divine couple, and this mountain had seen many various pastimes.
But
Divine
it is
couple.
in UP. You said you are in Bihar,
I am from Bihar,
but
born
you
and
are,
brought up in Bihar.
but right now you are in UP or in Bihar?
Right now in UP, in Govardhan,
Okay.
just nearby to Govardhan, Giraj mountain. Just I am 300-400 meter away from the mountain.
Mhm. Oh, nice.
Nagarjun Cherupuri Prabhu, where are you from? Are you there? Video should be
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
yes, yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. I am from Italy, Prabhu.
Italy.
Yeah.
You are now in Italy.
I am from India, but now currently I am in Italy, Prabhu.
So Italy, what time is there?
Now it's 2:30, Prabhu. 2:30 p.m. Prabhu.
PM.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. So 5 hours approx. That difference. Okay. So you are in previous classes also. You are able to understand?
Yeah, it's quite difficult, Prabhu. But if I can listen more times, maybe I hope I can understand, Prabhu.
Yes, revision is very much important.
Yeah, yes, Prabhu.
Today class you have understood little bit.
Today class not much, Prabhu.
Yeah.
I didn't listen properly, so I will listen recording again, Prabhu. I have to listen the recording.
You all please sit with notebook and pen.
Okay.
Whenever class is there going on, you must sit with notebook and pen. Okay? Notebook and pen, sitting with notebook and pen is very good way of learning. Because we are not very either that by listening once it
Yeah, yes.
memorize. That is not our memory like that. We should sit with notebook and pen and we should write the important points as quick as the teacher spoke. That speed you have to write it in the notebook and then revise it before coming the class. You know? So you have time
Yes.
of 24 hours before 6 p.m. tomorrow. You have to revise it. You revise it, you know, and then you read the PDF, read the book, and then come to class, and then you will able
Yes.
to release it, understand it. Understanding is everything. Understanding, as much understanding will be there, that much you will release it. Okay?
Yes, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. So these
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you.
students, I highly appreciate your effort to join this course, to understand this course, and I will try my best to fulfill your expectation from this course. And please forgive any mistake which I do, and please repeat the course, repeat the video sessions twice, thrice, you know, and do the homework. Read the chapters, do the homework, write the writing is must writing, speaking, and listening, reading are the three aspects of learning Sanskrit very fastly. Okay. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All glories to Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. We'll meet tomorrow.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji.